Hello and welcome.
Welcome back to Destination Now. Today we're going to take you to the Boca Chica Airfield to see the Southernmost Air Spectacular.
And the Blue Angels.
It's their 200-year anniversary and we're heading down there to check out some airplanes.
Let's go see what we see.
Come with us on today's adventure.
If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there.
Where is he, Maverick? Where is he?
Talk to me, Goose. Oh, he's spinning.
You feel like you're
Man, he's having so much fun.
Top Gun Part 3.
Yeah.
Here he comes.
Wow.
Oh man, you can't even hear him yet. Oh man, that thing is stealthy.
Inversion, baby.
There's the sound. Man, that was way later. Wow. Oh man, that is a big plane. Going. Lots of cars.
Thank you so much, Bill and Linda, for letting us borrow your car and watching Trixie for us today. We really appreciate you. You're the best.
Alright, we made it in, we parked. It's loud out here, so I don't know how much talking we'll do to the camera, but we'll show you guys around. We're heading towards the entrance. See a bunch of giant aircraft carriers. Alright, we made it on the Navy base. The only shade out here is underneath the air carriers. Everybody's lined up waiting for the show to start. Right now we're about an hour and a half from the Blue Angels. We're gonna head into one of these areas here and check it out. Everybody's piled underneath looking for shade. It's crazy to think that one of those things can fly. It's so big.
Just in case I was too quick, we're going to do another one coming in from the left-hand side. So Shy Riding Popo set up for another high-speed pass. We're going to take on the F.450 Chicken Corn and
Ooh, it's stinky.
The radial engines that are powering those.
Doesn't smell environmentally safe, though. Apparently it is. We're all being fogged.
Aerobatic team.
With every loop and turn, the planes dance and burn through the sky, pushing the boundaries with all their might. Aerobatic flight is an art of its own, a symphony of movements, a dance unknown.
The Aeroshell aerobatic team, flying above the rest. They've been flying for over 30 years and rely on Aeroshell, the world's best-selling piston engine oil, to keep.
From the snap roll to the barrel rolls, the plane's motion takes control. A world of beauty and inspiration as the planes defy all logic. For in the thrill of aerobatic flight, we find a sense of awe, a new height, a reminder of what we can achieve when we dare to dream and truly live. With every swoop and glide, the planes remind us to take life in stride, to reach for the sky with all our might, and dance with the clouds in a beautiful flight.
The Aeroshell bomb burst. Jimmy Fordham is in number 4, but I want you to look to your left and to the right as looping over the top again, rolling the sticks to the left to the upright position. Number 2 and number 3, Brian Ritt.
So let us follow our dreams with courage in our hearts and fire in our eyes, and let the beauty of aerobatic flight inspire us to reach for new heights.
He's putting it together with a bone-crushing, violent, exciting, stupendous routine that you just will not believe. Wait as he goes over the top. Watch the snap rolls. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. That's called the triple avalanche. His aircraft is named Prometheus, which means forethought. Prometheus was a rebel titan who displeased Zeus by taking from him and giving to the people of the earth the power of fire. The name matches the paint design with his hot rod style plane job and matches his act with its snarling, flashy maneuvers. As he turns on his 75-foot Bic lighter. Earlier, he drove a blistering 320 miles per hour down the runway. And he's going to try something against Skip Stewart. He's going to do a race from a standing start with Skip doing a diving start and see who can win the race down the runway. 2 Rolls-Royce jet engines from a Hawker aircraft. Speeds down past him and pops the drogue chute just after he passes Skip. Rob Holland is a graduate of Daniel Webster College with 2 degrees from that august institution, but he has turned his life over to the conquering of the sky and creativity in the air that no one around this part of the world has ever matched. He goes into a knife edge spin and then stops that spin, points the aircraft straight down to pick up some energy. At the top, he goes for 1, 2, 3, and 3.5 knife edge tumbles, recovering the verdict. On time. Ready for Blue Angel?
With wings of blue and white, the Blue Angels take to flight. Their planes like soaring birds, performing feats that astound the world. Their precision and skill, a testament to years of training and will.
Ladies and gentlemen, the opposing horizontal rolls.
They push the limits of what's possible. In the sky, they are unstoppable. Their roar echoes through the sky as they climb, dive, and flare. Their formations, a work of art that leaves onlookers with a racing heart. They represent the best of us, a symbol of courage, strength, and trust. With each maneuver, they inspire, pushing us to reach higher. The Blue Angels remind us all that we can achieve the impossible and soar to new heights with determination and a fighter's might. So let us look up to the sky and watch these heroes fly, for in their wings we find hope and the strength to cope. Well, this is the perfect ending to a perfect day. The air show was absolutely amazing. And we toured Fort Zachary. And now we're walking down the beach enjoying the sunset.
Hey, who was your favorite act at the air show?
Oh, the Blue Angels, for sure. Yeah, there was a lot of good acts there. I mean, it was really good. It's
the Rob Holland guy. I liked him.
The Rob Holland guy was really good. Yeah.
He didn't use
very
his engine
talented.
a lot.
No. There was lots of stalling. And in a very good way. Oh, man. Oh, life is good. Thank you.
If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing so you'll never miss another episode. And we'll see you next Tuesday for another adventure.
I want to give a shout out to all the courageous men and women who serve tirelessly to keep us safe and free. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for all your boundless efforts.